In the final video of our project management series, we'll start by summarizing the 4 key values we've learned. Our team has stayed connected to maintain the project schedule. Our PM has successfully adjusted our team's workload and shared resources. The team has had design changes and resolved issues to protect the quality of the product and its time to market. Most importantly, the PM has been able to measure the project status in real time with full understanding of the scope and deliverables. We've also demonstrated several 3D experience roles in this series, as shown in the list. In the final subject, we'll cover the project reporting options. Ryan wants to see only the tasks due by the end of the month, so he selects this option from the Active Projects panel. The results are filtered and there are 21 open tasks. Of these 21 tasks, Ryan now wants to see only the tasks that are behind schedule but still due at the end of the month. Let's look at the filtering options from this page. He clicks the blue text to filter all the open tasks with deliverables due within the next 30 days. Now, Ryan wants to isolate the schedule of the bearing task. The Gantt chart refreshes and displays 2 bars. The first graphic shows today's date. When Ryan hovers over the blue bar, it shows the current status, while hovering over the black bar shows the original estimated start and end date. We can see that the task started early, but if it were finished today, it would be 3 days late. Earlier, we saw a filtered result showing tasks with deliverables. Ryan would like to get a deliverables report from the part design parent task. He selects the deliverable report icon from the toolbar. This report is important because he can see task details and all change objects, reference documents, and engineering data like CAD and drawings, along with their lifecycle status from a single table view. This concludes our 3D Experience project management video series. To see this scenario demonstrated live, please contact us at adaptivecorp.com. Thank you for watching.